Gentlemen, you know, the girls are going to do some mischievous act today. And whenever we use this word, mischievous act, our viewers understand there are something very unique. Yes, you're right. In this activity, our student will demonstrate their product. They will show their emotion, right? And they will let you know how to speak on any topic which is not prescribed, which is not decided, right? This mind blowing activity is going to be started with the stupendous personality. And you know who is she? She is Miss Amisha Patel. Please clap. Yes, आ जाइए प्लीज कम फॉस्ट. What is this? ये क्लास में ट्रैफिक.
आज चले तुम्हें एसएमबी के शहर में मिलते हैं जहाँ हमारे बसत सर. आज चले तुम्हें एसएमबी के शहर में मिलते हैं जहाँ हमारे बसत सर. Bicycle is my favorite mode of transportation.
Oh.
I named my bicycle is SPD because it is too fast. And you look, this is black and white color, and I like its combination.
Oh wow, I like this combination. I also
Yeah.
like this. Yes.
So come fast, come closer, and look at
Come closer, camera woman, because background is needed to be covered. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Look, you all look. It has two tires.
Too tired. Yes.
Yeah, of course, it has two tires and one seat. Seat is too soft.
Right.
I sit there
Okay.
and look at this. This is ring bell.
This is great thing, right? Yeah.
Sir. You know, sir, when I feel very sad and alone, then I play with my ring bell. And come.
एक पंथ दो काज.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And
Good.
come closer. Look at this
Come
portion.
closer. Come closer. Yeah.
Look at this portion. You know, this portion is very special for me. You know why? Because sometimes I go outside with alone, then I feel very unhappy.
Right.
But when my friends sit there,
Yes.
I'm very excited and very enjoy every moment.
Right. Good point. Very great.
And you all know, bicycle is also important for our health because it helps to take exercise.
Right.
If some persons are fat, they use bicycle for every day for removing her fat.
Fatness.
Yeah,
You know,
remove-
fat you want to remove. You want to become thin. You just ride a cycle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Or you all know,
This is not for me, by the way. I'm fit and fine.
bicycle is pollution free.
Yeah, this is new.
This is bicycle is
free,
pollution
right?
free.
Yeah.
If you go motorcycle, cars, other ways, it takes very pollutant and it is very harmful for all
Right.
of us.
You're right. You're right. Right.
Yeah.
So we must ride cycle if you want to be healthy, right?
If you want to be healthy, you must ride bicycle. Okay?
Do you want
Daily.
to lose weight? Use cycle.
Yeah, you use also cycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you for
What is this?
this portion. I kept my water bottle because sometimes
Okay.
I'm very thirsty. Then I use my water bottle.
I used to keep my protein shake there. Okay, when I
Yeah,
was
sir,
with
I
the
also
gym.
kept.
Right, gym जाने के समय you can use this to keep your protein shake, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah, and make 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 circle, okay? And make your body fit.
Yeah, of
Right.
course, sir.
एक बार वो वाला कहानी बताइए.
On-
धक्का मारी रहे.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know, one time I came my bicycle and some persons in front of me, and I forget to ring the bell.
Hit.
I hit that person,
Okay.
and that person was too angry for me.
How can you do this?
Just like this.
Yeah. Forgive me. You did it.
I'm so sorry. It just happened. I can't see you. Then happened,
Okay.
but
She
that
must say
person,
Andhi ho.
yeah,
Yeah, she said like it's he or she.
he.
He is very angry young man, you know. He said, "Are you blind?"
Yeah, of course.
What
that
was your
way.
reply?
I'm not blind. It's just mistake.
It was a mistake.
Yeah,
you
but-
show your attitude to him.
Yeah,
This is very bad.
very bad, sir. I never forget this situation.
This incidents, right?
Yeah, sir, this
Okay.
incidents.
Anything else you want to share?
Yeah. No,
What?
sir.
No? Dun, ta-da.
So thank you for listening me.
Thank you for listening to her, okay? And listening to me also.
Yeah.
If you want to buy this cycle, this is on sale, okay? It is just for
No, sir.
1,25,000
This
rupees.
is my heart. I'm not sell.
Okay, all right. You can take your heart with yourself, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Great job. Beautiful. Huh?
Today I'm here to speak about my product.
Right?
Anyone guess my products?
Can you guess?
Can you guess anyone?
No. हमें होता दिमाग कहाँ है भाई? होता तो यहीं होते. Seriously. Yeah.
My product is on my face because I always my glasses.
Okay.
This class my
This
product.
class my product. Yes. This class my product. I said this. Yeah.
This glass is not only glass. This is my life because I always used any time. This glass helping me in my study and anything. How I am looking without my glass?
You're not looking good. Now wear it.
Now I am wear it my
Yeah.
glass. How I am
See
looking now?
This swag of this lady.
Oh, I know I am very beautiful. Then I
Right.
wear my glasses.
Right, good. When I wear my glass, I don't look smart. But when she wears her glasses, she looks very beautiful.
Yes.
ये कह रही है, हम नहीं कह रहे हैं सर प्लीज. ऐसा नहीं कि हम चश्मा बेच रहे हैं, ऐसा लगे. राइट या
This is glass. Glass is very important thing for our life because we always using mobiles, laptops, and then helping the glass for using laptop.
राइट.
Because now times everyone using laptops, phones, and working on laptops.
राइट.
Then defects of eye.
It affects eyes, you know, it damages eyes.
Yes.
बड़ी होशियार लड़की है. She uses glasses to protect her eyes.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Because everyone don't care about on eyes. Everyone's using without glasses, laptops, and other things.
Right.
Then sometimes eyesight is eye health issues in life.
Right. Right.
Some problems about my because I cannot see far things. Then I uses my glasses.
Okay.
This glass is very beautiful. This color is blue cut. This transparent front side, and this glass is very beautiful.
Okay.
So I choose the glass. Then I wear my glasses. I see everything, and then I cannot wear my glasses. I cannot see anything like this. Who is she? I don't know.
कौन है ये? Right now, you can see her.
I don't know.
You
Who
don't
is
know
she?
how many fingers are there?
I don't know.
No, you try to look at this thing.
I cannot see.
Wear that now.
Now I am wearing my
Now
glasses.
see this. How many fingers are there?
4 fingers.
This is 5.
5,
No.
4, 5.
Come on here. This non-living things are working.
Yes.
Great job. That's nice.
Glasses is not for only study using laptop. Glasses is important for protecting sun rays.
Sun rays. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you.
Thank you for listening me.
ये वाला परफॉर्मेंस आपके माइंड को हिला देने वाला. बिकॉज इन दिस परफॉर्मेंस द लेडी इज गोइंग टू कम विद the greatest project. Okay, you cannot assume. If I give you 10 days to assume about this project, You cannot guess. I am damn sure about it. You will be shocked. Watch complete video. A lot of different activities are going to come today, and these guys are demonstrating their product. I'm calling Miss Kavya. Please welcome here. That's nice.
Hello
Okay.
viewers. I am assembly member and I am Kavya Sandha, and today's my product is what? Can you please
What is
guess?
that? No, nobody can.
No worries, I will tell. My product is my paintbrush.
Yes.
Do you know what is this? You think about this is a very common paintbrush. No guys, this is not a common paintbrush. It is a very useful. It is the soul of the artist, you know. It is the more powerful thing about ask the artist what is this for him. It is our most important thing to use when we paint the wall.
Right.
We all know that.
Let's start from the class, right?
Okay, sir.
या एक एक करके जो जो पेंट करना है स्टार्ट कीजिए. You have to paint this room first, okay? Why will you paint this room?
Because it's already finished by colors, sir.
Okay, so you don't have color to
No.
paint your room.
Without color, this class is perfect, I think.
So why are you using the paintbrush?
So because this paintbrush needs more types of things.
Okay.
But this class is almost finished by the colors, by the students.
All
That's
right.
why
What else you want to add about this?
I share about this paintbrush more new types of things. Do you know what? I think because sir is also using brush.
No, I don't use that. मेरे को नहीं use करना ये सब brush
Sir is
भैया.
also
I'm a
use-
teacher. I don't use it. You are painter. You use
Sir,
it.
tell me when you shave your face, then what uses you?
मतलब?
What use?
Okay.
Then you shave your face.
Face nahi beard.
Beard,
What is
sir.
that?
Sorry, sir.
That
Beard.
time, yeah. We use brush. Sorry, viewers. Even men also uses brush. कितना काम है ब्रश का, right? Seriously, I was.
Don't sorry, sir. It's always necessary for all of us because girls is also use this.
Girls also use
Write down in comment box. When girls use this
to
brush.
paint the walls, right?
No, sir. When she goes to market, parties, anywhere, when she goes,
इतनी
then-
सवाला, small man,
Yes,
small
sir,
man.
yes, sir, you are
Oh
right.
wow,
Then she uses
that's
that
very
thing.
useful. Okay, you cannot go with your 6 feet, personality without that 1 inch brush. Okay.
It is not shameful. It is very more a powerful thing. Like
Right.
we are feeling better with our touch up.
Right, touch
So
up. Girls
don't
always look
shave
better
like
with
this.
touch up, right? Okay.
It's our strength.
Even men also
okay?
do so nowadays. Okay, but chori chupke.
So men also do the
हाँ, they
skincare.
do it. Yeah, they do it. I agree with you, but only I don't do it.
So guys,
Okay.
do you think about the paintbrush is very common? No, it's not a common
not
thing.
common, seriously.
It's a soul of our artist.
Yes.
When he uses the brush, he
Right.
takes the new types of things that
Right.
shows their activity, that shows
They
him.
impose their emotion on
Emotes
the
also.
canvas.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Right. You can write your emotion on the canvas, on the paper. Sania is the greatest example here. She does not know how to cook, but she knows how to show the emotion. Right. She does not use her words, okay, while having some food. She writes.
Sir, I have something more.
What is
Want to
that?
talk.
Please.
When I take this brush, then I feel more types of things in me. Like I am the artist. I am more confident. And
Yes.
I am the more like I'm
I'm
celebrity.
more beautiful also because
It's not my work. It's my passion.
Passion.
So that's the more powerful thing
right.
that we made and that
Very
we
passionate
made.
lady. If you want to contact her and just write the comment box, okay. If you want to get your house, okay, painted, you
It's
can.
not just a painting for the walls.
Okay, for the girls touch up, you can do it.
No, sir. It makes the happiness in your life. It makes
Yeah.
all the powerful things in
Right,
your
you
life.
color,
It
right.
motivates you guys.
Right.
When
Color
you
the
see your
motivation.
ball,
Color is the motivation.
Yes, sir.
Right. You make your life colorful with the brush. Okay, that's nice. A lot of
So
things.
colors is more important.
Right.
And the brushes is also needed when we colors to shows our you know what, like colors is always there in ourselves. It's always speak about that I am here with you. Nobody's care about what I am, but colors is always said that I am here with you. Like my outfit, this is pink color, this is a light blue color, and
Okay.
also this brush shows the colors of our life.
Right.
When it is doing that wall, we need to paint. That's the always we are have to other types of colors like sir makes this look at
Red
this.
and white.
Then he also wear red and white. Look
आज
at
मैं
this.
सोच के आया था पहने रख because we were going to make the videos ना तो I want a combination, right? Yeah. So that's
So
Hmm.
always color is very necessary.
Always keep color in your life,
And-
okay? Because colors are important to keep us
No
happy,
worries,
right?
you call me and I will tell what's the color which
Suit
goes
you.
with brushes. Yes.
Right. It's
So
nice.
thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Well done. Beautiful job. All right, viewers, you must be understanding. I have a lot of things in my box, okay, but that is hidden. Many things are yet to come. Okay, you are going to enjoy this beautiful activity, and this is new way to improve our English. You know, in our area, we do not have a good environment for English language. Okay, so खुद से ऐसे माहौल को क्रिएट करना पड़ता है जहाँ पर कि आप खुद से इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट कीजिए और खुद उस इन्वायरमेंट में अपने लैंग्वेज को इम्प्रूव कीजिए. राइट, इट्स नॉट ईजी बट दीज गाइज आर गिविंग देयर ग्रेटेस्ट एफर्ट एंड result is in front of you. They are very new students. The last, no, it's not last. I'm calling the next student here, and she is Miss Shruti Saroj. But please wait. I want to change my camera woman. No, you cannot guess. It is very sad.
Hey, don't think it is Shahrukh Khan and Salman Khan. I am just talking about the none another water.
Water, yes. Life of everyone.
Yeah, I am here with my water bottle.
Yes.
And you know, think
My
one
water
thing-
bottle, okay, yeah. Yes, I'm having water right now.
You know, I am here to talking about water, and I am here to tell you the importance of water. We are also know that
Shruti, come
water
back.
is how much essential in our life, and
Yeah.
we can't
Come on.
imagine our life without water. Can you
Yes.
survive it? No.
Can you survive without water for single day in this month?
No.
April is burning, you know.
Yes.
What will happen in May?
And you know one thing, when you don't take bath a single day, you
Don't speak about that. सोच के भी क्या फील होता है? Don't speak that seriously. Don't speak. Yeah.
when a boy and girl don't take a bath a single day, he
Single day.
smell like a expired samosa.
What do you mean by that? Okay, जो उसने आज नहीं नहाया होगा क्या क्या सोच रहा होगा?
Don't be personal, I just
Don't be
said.
personal. पहले
And you
क्या?
know, when you not give your mother a tea of cup, when your
Cup of
mother
tea,
becomes
yeah.
a Shaktiman, angry Shaktiman.
Angry young woman.
Yes.
Yeah, she becomes angry young woman, right? When you don't provide
Your mother
cup of tea. वही पानी डालना पड़ता है उसमें,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
And,
ब्लू ब्लैक प्योर दूध का वो चाय होता है, उसमें भी तो पानी होता है. Water is everywhere.
Water
Yeah.
is everywhere.
Right.
And it is the most unappreciated celebrity in your life.
Right.
And you know, you use it 24/7, but it's never complain.
It never comes.
It's every
Seriously.
time with you when you need it. Whether you are thirsty, sweaty, and dirty.
You need.
Yeah,
You need water.
yeah.
Yeah.
Even when you cried in the sorrow of after exam. And also we use in our dramatical Bollywood.
Right.
In the type of rain scene.
हाँ, गाना बना होता है वो मतलब उसमें पानी बरसाता है. That's seriously, she is right. She is speaking very meaningful things. Okay.
And You know, guys, water, it look like quite soft and even powerless. But don't go this face on water.
Right.
Because you know the water is the strongest force on the earth. And
This is very unique. Viewers, write down in the comment box. Water is the strongest thing in this world. इसके look पे मत जाओ. It's very soft.
course.
Okay, yeah.
water have power. Water have power to destroy the all over the world.
Right.
And you know exactly water give us motivation.
अच्छा.
Yes.
ये बात समझ पता ही नहीं था हमको.
Yes, be like a water. Just clam when water have power. Water have power to cut the mountains.
Mountain. हाँ, ये motivation है ये. Seriously. It's the greatest motivation. Seriously.
Water have power to cut the mountain, and water have this power. Then you are a human. You can do everything what you want in your life.
Right.
And we are also know that
We all know.
we also know that
Yes.
the real OG of our life is water.
Water. Water. Definitely. Water ले clap करो यार. Clap for water. Yeah.
Don't clap for me.
Oh, sorry. Okay, you are also 70% water.
Yeah, I'm
तुम्हारे लिए clap कर
I'm
रहा हूँ मैं.
also contain 71% water in our body, and we are also made of 71% water in our body.
Water, right? Yeah. Right. Right.
So at the last, I would like to say that please save water and respect every single drop of water, because when you eat pani puri, it's also need water.
वो
And
बहुत जरूरी था बोलना. Seriously. For girls, that is very special, dish. You can whatever, but that's very special, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When you eat na pani puri,
Pani
that
puri.
time you look very swaggy, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, accounting तो भूलते नहीं है, वही.
Yes.
Lot of memes are there about it, right? Yeah.
yes, and we are also don't eat noodles and such type of biryani. That honestly, I want to say that we are can't survive without water. And that's all. Thank you guys, and bye bye.
Was a nice performance. ये ज़रूरी था यार. ज़रूरी था मतलब ज़रूरी था पानी के बारे में सोचना अप्रैल के महीने में. You know why? Because water, without water, this world cannot have existence. Right. This world is having existence because of water. आज जिस मकान में खड़े हैं इसको बनाने के वक्त भी पानी सीमेंट बोला हाँ अकेले बना लेंगे, but you cannot make a house without water. Right. So water is life. Viewers, please spread this beautiful message, okay? Before the summer starts, everyone must save every drop of water. Right. Water is life, and this earth has only water. That is why life exists on this earth. Okay, so next student, she is again going to shock you with her beautiful performance, and her name is bhale chota sa, but the performance is going to be blockbuster, and she is Miss Prachi. Welcome Prachi here into the center. Yes,
Hi sir, how are you?
mic is working. Yes, please, yeah.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm not good.
Why sir?
बोलने से क्या चेहरा देखो. I'm very good.
Sir, you know what? I'm very happy today because I understand the power of identity card today.
Identity card.
Yes, sir. When I was coming to SMB, some student SMBians are I meet to SMBians. They asked me, where are you going? I said I'm going to SMB class, and at that time I don't wear my identity card. They said, are you SMBian? I said yes. They said, how? I said I am SMBian. I study in SMB English. They said, how? I said,
Close look.
I know buses, sir. They are he is my teacher, and I study and he teach me. They said, then where is your identity card? I
Where
said,
is your identity card? मतलब कहते हैं ना कि एक सिनेमा में देख रहे डायलॉग, ये 5 फीट का इंसान जो कह रहा हो तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा, तुम्हें छोटका सा आईडी कार्ड पे भरोसा है कि मैं कौन हूँ. Seriously, it's very
So
great.
then I said, is identity card is that important? They said yes. You are Assamian, then you have to wear
Yes.
your identity card. Then I understand the power
The
of identity
power
card.
of identity card.
Yes,
उस
sir.
दिन के बाद तो इसने कसम खाया है कि मैं सुन लो मैं सांस लेना छोड़ सकती हूँ लेकिन आइडेंटिटी कार्ड पहनना नहीं छोड़ सकती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज माई असली रिकग्निशन राइट गुड जॉब
Yes, sir. And I also want today to understand our viewers the importance of identity card because this is very important in our life. It enhances our personality. It show you from where you belongs
Right.
and where you do your job, where you do your work, and this is very important thing. It this is very important really.
राइट
And for student this is very important. And if some parents are seeing this video, I have some information for parents that if your children are studying in some schools, they have their identity card, but this that is not a very small thing. This is a very important thing. They have their digital identity card in this generation.
Right.
From
क्लैप
that,
ना यार अप्रिशिएट दिस एक्सीलेंट परफॉर्मेंस यस
from that you can track your children's from
Activity,
yes,
movement.
and yes, from which time they arrive their school and
Right.
from which time they dispatch from their school.
Right.
And you can also have their information along with you every time, everywhere where you have.
Right.
If you it's very important for you guys. And
Okay.
it's also give your identity card also gives you a next level happiness through which
हैप्पीनेस भी देता है भैया ये बात पता ही नहीं था हमको सीरियसली आई वाज
sir.
नॉट अवेयर कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट हाउ
yes sir, if you're doing your job in very high post in very famous industry or company,
Right.
and you are relaxing in your house and you see and you seen your identity card and there
okay.
is your
That
post
time,
written in the their
everybody
identity
stand
card.
up.
Yes, and
Yeah, they provide seats.
and he has pride that I am there and that post and
Other people respect.
yes
yeah.
sir. And
बताओ इंसान का इज्जत नहीं आइडेंटिटी कार्ड का इज्जत हो रहा देख रहे हो तुम दिस इज वेरी सैड
no sir, we can take this with an example.
Right.
If a DM if a DM going anywhere and a traffic police
राइट
सर रोकना को क्या कहते हैं,
हाँ बोलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम खुल के बोलिए
अगर एक ट्रैफिक पुलिस उसे रोकता है
रोकता है
तो
इफ ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टॉप्स
हाँ,
हिम
stops him, then
He is just a gentleman.
Yes sir, he's also a man, but he don't say any word. He just show his identity card
Yeah.
and the traffic
Jai Hind, sir.
police. Yes sir, let him
Yeah.
go.
हाँ जयंत राइट दे विल से भैया पावर ऑफ आइडेंटिटी कार्ड एवरीबody wear identity card from today otherwise I'll charge you 10 rupees you know this is also a story
Yes.
here right yeah
And that time that DM don't say any word, but their identity card show lots of word at that
राइट
time.
आइडेंटिटी कार्ड स्पीच इसका मतलब
Yes, sir.
जुबान नहीं है लेकिन बोलता है
Yes.
ये आइडेंटिटी कार्ड बोलती है गुड यार वेरी गुड पता आप ये सब पहली बार पता चला होगा व्यूवर्स आपको है ना तो प्लीज़ आप ग्रुप में कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर लिखिए एक्सेलेंट जॉब राइट बिकॉज द न्यू थिंग्स आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड स्पीक्स
And if you are going or coming from anywhere, some peoples are seeing your identity card and they think from there yeah, they are coming and
Right.
this is my identity card and there is written SMB English.
Yeah.
If I coming from anywhere, going from anywhere and I am wearing my identity card, they will see and they think she is coming from SMB English. We
Right.
have to go there and this is the free
का
promotion.
yes free का promotion yes right great performance promotion okay you're wearing in your neck how close you keep this beautiful identity card okay so that gives you affection with this card and this is giving you a great position if you wear it if you work in MNC okay in big companies okay without identity card you cannot even enter
Yes,
into
sir.
your
Because they have their identity card
Right.
always with them.
Right.
And thank you.
क्या क्या हो
Without
रहा है
my-
मुझे तो खुद ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा आज या
Without my identity card, I'm sitting in this assembly class, and Am I looking like a general person in this
भगाओ
in
इनको
this class?
भगाओ इनको भैया बिना आईडी कार्ड शी इज नॉट
I have my identity. I have just given example, and
अब
I
हुई
have-
एसएमबीएन
I have my identity card. I'm a general person in this class.
yes now you are looking great part of SMB English earlier
Yes,
you were
sir.
looking no one here right मतलब ये हुआ कि इंसानों की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है right it is the identity card only right great Prachi you have explained identity card so beautifully
And before going, I want to give a important note to our assemblyman. Please wear your identity card in your class, and
otherwise Dabba,
please
dabba,
get
baby,
ready
dabba.
to pay 10 rupees.
10 rupees okay good
Thank you very much, viewers.
well done very well done ये तो बहाने में आइडेंटिटी कार्ड का वैल्यू बता गई राइट यू मस्ट वेयर आइडेंटिटी कार्ड राइट
Hello.
okay okay how many students are left 3 students are left okay so bear with us many things are yet to come okay and they are going to let you know about their product okay you will ponder a lot about it you will start contemplating okay having seen their performance what type of ideas do we have to make English language possible in our beautiful state, Bihar. Right. So one more new activity is there and you must share this beautiful activity to everyone who loves any language. It's not about only English. It's about all the language, okay? If you want to learn languages, you must use activities. The next student, and she is one of the most energetic students of SMB English and she does not need any introduction. She is Miss Sabreen. Yes.
So,
Viewers, please clap.
so me excited guys. What type of soy? I want to demonstrating my product. That
Yeah.
is chair. Yes, I'm going to talk about chair.
Chair. It's not take this chair, okay? All right. Yeah.
Let's see. You can see
Chair आया chair
this is the power.
Yeah.
This is not only chair, okay?
Okay, guys.
What do you think?
This is not
This
plastic
is not
chair
plastic
only,
chair.
okay?
This is the power, okay? Let me see.
This is my pride.
This is my pride.
Yes.
You can
this is my
see.
position.
It has 2 arms. It has 4 legs.
4 legs. इसके
It's
chair में
made
4
of-
legs हैं.
It made of plastic.
Yeah.
And I bought it from the market. You can buy it also, but I cannot sell this chair. This
Right.
is my heart. This
Nobody
is,
sells position actually.
this is my position. You
Yeah.
can say because I cannot live without my chair. Okay, guys?
लोग ये बोले
see.
पानी के बिना नहीं रह सकते हैं दाना के बिना नहीं रह सकते हैं हवा के बिना नहीं रह सकते ये चेयर के बिना नहीं रह सकते यही है भैया असली पोजीशन यही चला दुनिया में एवरीबॉडी लव्स चेयर
I use it while studying.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
use it while watching movie also.
Okay, yeah.
When I feel tired. When I feel tired,
Tired, yeah.
then I sit here.
यस
Look at me.
Look
at me.
विदाउट
Okay?
चेयर आई एम वेरी
Without
चीप
chair.
गरीब
How I'm looking, guys?
पुअर पर्सन
I'm looking good.
The
No,
poor-
it's not.
poor
I'm
lady of
looking
21st
very
century.
poor.
Yes.
I'm not comfort without chair.
या
Let me sit on my chair.
नाउ सी दिस थिंग
I'm looking, guys.
Queen of
I'm
Garib
ready.
Kingdom, right? Queen of Poor Kingdom, right?
This is symbol is my attitude. Okay,
Yes,
guys.
symbol of my attitude.
This is my personality. This is my position. Okay.
Okay,
This is my status.
right.
I love it so much. I can sacrifice. I can sacrifice all the things. Okay.
But this chair-
But not at all. No, no, I cannot sacrifice this chair. I cannot. Then I feel.
You No, now I'm sitting on this chair. Now this is mine. Okay.
No, sir, this is mine. You cannot sit. Please, please.
I don't want to take your chair, yaar.
I'm very tired. I'm very tired.
No,
I'm
she's
now
tired.
on fit.
Relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my identity.
Excuse me. Bring some
Excuse
water
me.
for her, okay?
Bring some water.
Okay. Now,
Bring.
it just say, bring some coffee. Yeah.
Let me.
Everybody is working for a chair. का इज्जत चल रहा है आज. Everybody is respecting chair, right? Okay. Camera
Okay.
woman. Focus it.
When you sit this way,
Okay.
you looking, you give your interview. But when you sit this way, I'm looking queen. I'm looking, guys. This is the power of chair. I
Right.
cannot live. I cannot sell. I cannot sacrifice this chair.
Right.
Because I cannot live. This
Right.
is my personality.
Okay.
This is my attitude. What do you think? I tell it? No. No, I cannot tell it. Thank you, guys. So, sit it and let's
Sir, if you want to make her brand ambassador of your chair brand, contact in the comment box.
You can
okay?
see one more
right?
thing.
She will charge only 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees. मुझ से निकल भी नहीं रहा इतना बड़ा amount मेरे लिए.
its price is 800 rupees. You can buy anywhere.
Right.
I cannot sell it.
Thank
Let
you.
me relax on it.
Okay.
So bye bye. Take care, guys.
Hello.
How was
So did you understand about the beauty of chair? I don't want to speak a lot about the chair now because she has explained everything. Even mera wala point she has explained. Okay, so I don't want to do my fasiyat. Okay, I want to call next student here, and she is one of the sweetest speaker of English, and she has great melodious voice. हमें ये कहने में थोड़ा भी गुरेज नहीं है. लता मंगेशकर का दूसरा रूप is coming here in this center, and she is going to prove with her melodious, shrill, attractive, impressive voice. And she is most welcome here into the center, and her name is Sania. Sania is coming. Please come. Yes, stage is yours.
Hello, everyone. Hello. How are you guys? I'm perfectly fine. Today, can you guess my project? I don't know. I cannot guess.
It is not easy by the way, because our ideas are very thought provoking, right? So nobody can guess it.
Nowadays, we can say our life and our everything. And I think we can say all in one thing, mobile phone.
मोबाइल फोन, हाँ सही बोल रही, मतलब लाइफ है या, लेकिन इसके पास लाइफ था नहीं. देखो ना, शेयर लाइफ. ओके ना,
We can say our life in this day. We
Right.
can live without anyone. Without anyone. We can live without any person. We can live without our education. But we can't live, we can't survive without mobile phone.
come on. Few days ago, she was telling कि sir, I can't live without SMB English, and today she is telling I can't live without mobile phone. असलियत सब आ रहा है सामने. Yes.
Yeah, I'll have to live without mobile phone, but it's
Yeah.
our life. And you can see the color is black, and black is my favorite color. Black is black is emotion, and mobile phone is, I can say, everything. In
Yes.
previous time we use television, we use teachers,
Right.
we use alarm,
Right.
we use watches,
Right.
and we use diaries.
हाँ.
But in this time we can use mobile phone for the purpose of everything.
Everything. Yeah. Nowadays people are searching a relation का बोला बहुआ वो शब्द होता है, मैट्रिमोनियन और फट्रिमोनियन. लोग मोबाइल पे देखता है, दे लुक एवरीथिंग ऑन मोबाइल, राइट?
Yes, sir.
दे फाइंड फूड ऑन मोबाइल ना, कर लो स्विगी, वाइफ का कोई वैल्यू नहीं, मतलब फैमिली कोई वैल्यू नहीं, कर लो जोमेटो, राइट? जोमेटो पैसा लग जाएगा, यू नो, ऐड हो रहा है यहाँ पे। या प्लीज कंटिन्यू। मोबाइल इज एवरीथिंग, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
We can order our product without market. We can order in mobile phone.
Right.
We can eat. I mean, after order,
राइट, या
we can eat our food after order with the help of mobile
phone, yeah.
We can study with the help of mobile
phone, yeah.
And you know, study is more powerful in this time. Everything is
छुट्टी, जाओ
expensive.
तुम लोग सब, कोचिंग की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नीड मोबाइल फोन।
Yeah, sir. In this
Right. Yeah, sir, what is that? क्योंकि सामने में तुम मतलब कहते कमाल है यार,
No,
मतलब
sir, nowadays-
हिम्मत चाहिए ये बात कहने के लिए।
It's reality.
या
Nowadays we can learn everything with the help of mobile
Mobile phone, right.
People study NEET and
yeah, a lot of
everything,
tough
lot of
examination
things.
they
and
prepare
they
on
use
mobile
mobile phone.
Right.
You know, everything is expensive in this days,
right?
and we can't afford everything. But we can use mobile phone and we can afford everything.
Yes, true. Do business on mobile phone यार, कर दो अपना प्रोडक्ट, यू नो, जा करके अमेजोन पे एंड अदर यू नो sites. Okay, you can upload your product and you can sell your product. You make a business also on mobile phone.
But we should.
Yeah.
But we should. Careful. हम लोगों को
You should
careful
be
रहना चाहिए.
careful,
We
yeah.
should be
You should
careful
be careful, right? Yeah.
because it is also dangerous for us,
Right.
and especially for girls. We should be serious and we should try to focus everything. And it is maybe very dangerous, but it is
Can
very
make your
helpful.
life and it can destroy your life.
Yeah.
Yeah, pros and cons are there. You must know it very carefully. नहीं तो एक सेकंड में पूरा का पूरा जिंदगी का कमाई खाली भी हो सकता है। आज के टाइम में साइबर क्राइम is you know hiking, growing very fast. Okay, so mobile phone is very dangerous for you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And you know, we all know we need friends and we need people who understand ourselves.
Right.
And you know, it is not possible. Every time it is not possible. But we can use our mobile phone for entertainment, for friendship, and for everything. And we can say it is our everything.
ज़्यादा हो गया मोबाइल फोन का वैल्यू भैया। If you don't have mobile phone, छीन लो किसी का। That is very important, okay? Because किसके पास नहीं है मोबाइल फोन?
I don't
स्नैच है मोबाइल फोन, छीनो पड़ोसी
I
का।
don't have.
Because mobile phone is very serious, yeah.
I have.
Right, yeah. Okay, anything else you want to add here?
No, sir. No, but I want to say last thing. We should be careful, and every time you should be careful and understand its value and disadvantage also.
Right.
So thank you so much.
Thank you. दे दो यार, गिव इट टू मी। कोई मोबाइल में तो पैसा लोग दे देता है, समय दे देता है, बट मोबाइल फ़ोन नहीं दे पाता। यू नो वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ सिक्योरिटी रीज़न, राइट? एंड यू शुड नॉट गिव योर मोबाइल फ़ोन टू एनी वन, बिकॉज मोबाइल फ़ोन इज़ योर बैंक. Mobile phone is the diary of your personal things, right? You protect your memories in mobile phones, right? You have videos and family pictures in your mobile phone, so do not hand over your mobile phone to anyone, right? Understand it. Thank you. It's very beautiful. Last but not the least, she is coming with her product and her name is Miss Zainab. Zainab, you're most welcome here in the center, and this needs great courage to come in the center, but SMBians are known for courage, right? So some
Hello,
other
everyone.
students who could not take the chance will take chance in the next video, right? Yes.
Do you want to see my product?
Yes, why not?
My product is cloth. Cloth are what we wear to cover and
protect
our bodies.
Right. Yeah.
They help keep us warm in winter, cool in summer.
हाँ, कमाल की बात है,
Yes,
सही
sir.
बात है. Yeah.
Cloth come in many type of colors, design and printed. Look at her. They are also printed.
It is printed, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it is so beautiful.
Right. अपना
And-
कपड़ा सब beautiful बोलता
Yes,
है.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we wear the cloth. We wear different cloth, different occasion like school, college, party function. We wear uniform like a student, and we wear printed cloth
Clap,
and
show the energy. Dull हो गए. Don't be dull. Yeah.
we wear khadi cloth and branded. They go outside. Their people
खून लग जाएगा,
say
खून लग
कि you come to Bihar and you are rich people. And
Yeah.
I mean say कि cloth it's not just a cloth. It has so power. Can I speak?
Yeah.
ये आपको किसी की नज़र में गरीब भी बना सकता है और अमीर भी बना सकता है.
कपड़े की वैल्यू देख लिया आपने? सुने आप
So,
लोग?
Value
कपड़ा
the-
आपको
value
गरीब भी
of
बना
the
सकता है,
cloth.
अमीर भी बना सकता है.
Yes.
This is the value of cloth.
Cloth.
Right.
Yes. अभी we use the cloth so our personality and style and so
मैं विश्वास सर को देख लीजिए.
yes. Look at this man.
Look at this man, okay? He is
so-
wearing nice
Thank
clothes.
you. Thank you.
Thank you very much again. It was a super duper hit performance because she was first time in front of the camera, okay, alright, and she tried to explain about her product, and that was cloth, right? So I don't want to stretch the videos length. Actually, I know good things are slightly bigger, okay, so you need to support this type of things, because in this world where reels and shorts are in trend, there I am trying to do something different, okay, because we want to learn spoken English. So these type of activities are going to be very handy for you if you really want to improve your communication skills. Join SMB English today. Thank you very much. Bye.